So you want to know how to make thumbnails for YouTube videos? Well, you're in luck, because on this video today, I'm going to show you 2 free strategies where you can go to create free YouTube thumbnails. That's right, guys, free YouTube thumbnails, okay? This is not going to cost you anything, and these sites are fantastic that produce fantastic results. So if you want to make thumbnails for YouTube, then make sure that you watch this entire video, because it's a free tutorial for you that you can start using straight after watching this video. We all know that the importance of thumbnails is huge, okay? Because what it does is allows you to have really good click-through rate, and it's the first thing and the first impression that anybody sees before they even see your title or anything like that. So it's critical that you make good YouTube thumbnails in order for you to have great success on your channel. Guys, if this is the first time you've come to my channel, Smart Video Tactics, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell identification icon, because as you know, I post 3 times a week and I'm here to help you grow on YouTube, make some money along the way, and have the best impact. So if that's what you're interested in, join the family, guys, and let's grow together. So on this video today, I'm going to teach you how to create a couple of YouTube thumbnails, 2 simple tutorials, and one at the end of this video, I'm going to show you one software that is going to allow you to do this pretty much automated. They've got different templates that you can start using straight away. But the first site that I want to show you very quickly where you can go to create YouTube thumbnails for free is a site called Canva.com. Now, if you don't have Canva, I urge you to go over here and sign up to Canva, because if you want to make YouTube thumbnails, this is where you need to go, okay? So quite simply, when you come over to Canva, what you want to do is you want to come over to here and you want to click on to create a design. Once you click on to create a design, you go to custom dimensions, and the size of a thumbnail, guys, is 1920 by 1080, okay? So this is what you want. This is the size that you need to use in order for it to fit perfectly when you upload this to your YouTube channel, okay? Now, like I said, guys, this is really important. If you want to grow on YouTube and you want to have the best impact, this is what you want to be doing. So when you come over here, you can quite simply see that there's all these different types of YouTube, different types of thumbnails that you can use, different types of templates and stuff that you can use. It's entirely up to you. Or what you can do is you can upload your own image. You can take a screenshot from a particular image on the YouTube video that you want to use. You can take a photo of yourself, okay, as before or after you film that video, and you can add text to it. So what we're going to do in this video, very simply, is I'm just going to use a quick image to show you how that works, okay, when you go to make your YouTube thumbnails, okay? So if I go over to here and I have a look at my uploads, I've got a couple of photos over here that I've uploaded previously, and I've got a few thumbnails as well that sometimes I upload here to add different artwork and stuff. So what you want to do is you come over to here. Let's say if I was just to upload this photo over here. Actually, let me just delete that or use the other one, because this one's just a bit too big. So let's say we come over here and we'll to upload this photo over here. Sorry, I've just clicked on it twice. Then all you need to do is you come over here. As you can see, you can kind of drag this and move it up. If you hold the shift key, okay, you can kind of move that down and around, okay, which allows you to do that. So, and then the other really cool thing about this is I want this image to face the other way. So I'm just going to flip it, okay, and you can flip it horizontally and bang, it's straight on the other side, okay. So we're going to move this over to here, and we're going to move this up, okay. We're going to stretch this over to here. We're going to pull this over to there, okay, and we're going to just add some text in over here. So this is the starting of obviously you creating a YouTube thumbnail or making a YouTube thumbnail, okay, guys. Very simple stuff. You can just kind of move that down there so it's a little bit lower. Then what I like to do is I come over to here, guys, and I like to add in a particular shape, okay. So you come over to here, you can add a shape. Different types of shapes, okay, and you can obviously use different types of colors, but let's just say we use this shape over here, okay, that comes over to here. You can very easily minimize that, okay, guys, so you can just kind of play around with that. This is very much click and go type of a site. So you come over to, if you want to change the color, you can quite simply come over here and change it. If you don't like that color, you can come over here and you can check the dimensions. You can click on this over here and it gives you different types of color schemes that you can use. So we're just going to use that for now, guys. Then what you want to do is you can come over and you can use text. The other thing that you can also do is you can come over to here where it's got the search, and you can just type in, for example, YouTube. and hit enter, okay? And this is going to give you different types of YouTube images, okay? So what you can do is you can just come over here. Let's say we wanted to use this image. A lot of the images are free, guys, but if you keep scrolling down, there are some paid images, okay? But there's enough here for you to be able to use free ones, okay? So let's say we wanted to use this image, okay? So that's going to drop that in there. We're going to minimize this, okay? And what we're going to do, let's just create a quick thumbnail saying insane YouTube thumbnails, okay? So let's just make this a little bit bigger, okay? Let's just push this down here, set that in the center, okay? And then what you do is you come over to here where it's got text, and quite simply, you can just choose any one of these texts, okay, guys? So let's say you wanted to use, let's just use this heading text over here. So you just come over to here till you see that little square there, the cross there, and then you can just move this over to here. And then quite simply, again, you just drag this to make it obviously a lot bigger. And again, like I said, you can hold shift just to increase that as well. Okay, so you come over to here and we can just type in insane. Okay, spread that out like that. And then what you can do, guys, if you double click on this, you come over to here, you can play around with this, and let's just go with white. Okay, so we've got insane. Cool thing about this is if you wanted to, you can just, instead of creating another one, if you want to use similar word, you can just copy. Okay, once that copies, let me just go over here. You can come over to here, hit Control V anywhere, and then just drag the second one over here. So you just go insane. Okay, and you've got YouTube in the middle. Okay, and then here you can just type in thumbs. Okay, guys, so this is very, very quick and easy ways to obviously create YouTube thumbnails or to make YouTube thumbnails. As you can see, what did this take us? Literally took us a couple of minutes to create this thumbnail. Okay, now there are obviously different ways that you can do this. Okay, you can come over here and you can double click on this and create this to be black, for example. Okay, and then come over to here and change this color to be white. Okay, and as you can see, it's going to completely change the complexity of that. Come over to here and create that to be black as well. Okay, and you can play around with it, and as you can see, you can increase the size of this. Okay, and this does stand out, guys. Okay, and obviously that's the photo there. Now with the photo, what you can do as well, you can come over to here and you can see you've got these different options over here. You can come over to filter. You've got adjust. You can play around with that. Now with adjust, what I like to do is I like to sharpen the photo a little bit. So you come over to here, and for contrast, what I generally like to do is just move it up a little bit, say to about 10, 9 or 10. Saturation as well to about, say, maybe 15 or 20. And then you've got this one here where it's got blur, so you can sharpen this image. And as you can see, if you go this way, it's going to blur it. If you come back this way and keep going just a little bit to the left over here, let's say to -10, it's just going to create that as well. And obviously, there is evidence out there to say that I've read up on YouTube and also heard on different YouTube channels that the sharper the photo and the better the image, obviously the click-through rate is a little bit better. So this is as simple as that, guys. Insane YouTube thumbs with me, obviously, in that photo. But as you can see, you can play around with this and you can really make good thumbnails on YouTube utilizing this site. Okay, so that's Canva. I wanted to show you this, but there's another way that you can create YouTube thumbnails. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you this right now. So the site that I want to show you guys where you can go to make YouTube thumbnails is this one over here. It's called PickMaker.com. This is an awesome site to make YouTube thumbnails, guys, because it's absolutely for free. Okay, I recently did a video on this site on my Smart Money Tactics channel where I showed people how to make money with this strategy. But what you can do is obviously you can use this for free to make thumbnails for your YouTube videos. And all you need to do is sign up. I literally signed up through my Gmail account. You come over to here and you click on to create yours for free. So once you click onto this over here, it's gonna take you over to this page over here, which shows you all these different options. You can create YouTube banner, you can create YouTube thumbnails as well, you can customize and do it yourself. But I wanted to show you something very, very quickly. If you scroll down here, okay, 90% of the best performing videos on YouTube have custom thumbnails. Okay, all right, guys. So what I'm teaching you here is how to make YouTube videos, but how to make YouTube thumbnails, but more importantly, custom thumbnails. Okay, if you come down here, you can see all these different templates that you can use, and the best part is with this particular program. It's going to allow you to get rid of backgrounds. It's going to allow you to sharpen and highlight. It's going to allow you to do all this other free stuff as well, okay, guys? And it's absolutely free. This is not going to cost you a single cent. So what you want to do, again, like I said, you come over to here to create your free thumbnails. Come over to here, click on YouTube thumbnails. It's going to take you over to a second page where it's got all these different templates that are going to allow you to make YouTube thumbnails, okay? So once this loads up, I'll show you exactly how you can do this, and this is absolutely free and extremely simple, guys. So there is a quick video that you can watch, okay, which I encourage you to watch because it's going to give you everything you need for you to be able to make these YouTube thumbnails. And like I said, guys, all these awesome thumbnails is going to allow you to grow your YouTube channel, which is ultimately what you want. And once you grow your YouTube channel, this is going to give you the best chance for you to make even more money on YouTube and have the best impact, whatever you want. So when you come over to here, guys, check this out. You've got all these different types of templates that you can have a look at, okay? And it just keeps going and going and going, and you can just keep scrolling, okay? It's a fantastic site to use. As you come over here, you got different options as well. Like you got backgrounds and you got text, and you can upload different images as well. For the purpose of this video, I just want to show you this. You can play around with it because that's the best way to learn. All you need to do is come over to here. Let's say you wanted to pick any one of these particular, let's pick this one over here. So this is a thumbnail that you can use, and all you need to do, again, this is very, very simple, guys. It's simply just click and change, okay? So you click onto that, and all you need to do is just double click onto that, and you'll be able to change it, okay? Look at this. Very, very simple, okay? Thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail, we just need to increase this. Okay, so move over to here, just increase that. And look at this, guys, you can just expand it and do whatever you want with it, okay? Up here, excuse me, you can come over to here and you can change the text, obviously, that you want to use, okay? You can change the font, you can change the color once you double click on it. So you got the color here, you can change the color to whatever you want. You got bold, you got underline, you can center it, you can do whatever you want, guys. It's, like I said, very, very simple. Just click and go, okay, type of thumbnail creator, okay? So you come over to here, like I said, you can quite simply play around with it. You've got all these other options as well of how you can highlight this and what color to highlight it. So you move that over to there, you can come over to here, you can change this as well. You can change all this background stuff. If you double click on it, it's going to allow you to change it. You can change the question mark, you can put different symbols on there, you can put different backgrounds, you can put different text, and you can upload all these different types of stuff, guys. It is super, super simple to use this, and I've seen these exact thumbnails on YouTube. People are using this site to make YouTube thumbnails, okay, because it's free and they actually stand out. So I definitely recommend that you jump onto this site. It's called PickMaker.com, okay, and people are coming on here to make YouTube thumbnails every single day, and it's super, super simple, guys. You can obviously come over here if you wanted to and just delete that image and import whatever image you wanted to, okay, guys. It is that simple to make YouTube thumbnails in 2020, okay, guys. So those were my two quick tutorials on how to make YouTube thumbnails in 2020. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure that you give me a quick thumbs up and comment down the bottom. Let me know that you enjoyed this video. Comment, YouTube thumbnails. I'd really, really appreciate it. So I know that you enjoyed this video. I'm going to have a couple of videos up here for you guys to watch of different ways that you can obviously grow your YouTube channel, make some money along the way, and have the best impact. Guys, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I'm Alan from Smart Video Tactics. You guys take care and goodbye.